was founded in 1916 by two brothers, and the two brothers worked the mine here for 5 years. The owners of the mine were Jenny and Ron Goff in the later years. They set the mine up in 1988. Jenny and Ron found the mine. They were doing an extension on the daughter's bedroom, and they come across the old mine as they were tunnelling the bedroom. So what you'll find here at the Old Timers Mine, an old underground home. You'll find the gallery where there's a lot of history about Coober Pedy, scenes of opal all throughout the mine, and you'll find that we have a beautiful shop here as well with opals in it. In the shop you'll find a large range of jewellery, gold and silver. We have a large range of cut stones and rough opal as well. But basically the attractions we got outside, a needling pit for the kids, a old horse carriage which used to supply Coober Pedy with its goods in the late 1800s.